Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wajiha, and today I will be talking about my big decision of which company I chose. If you haven't watched my video on my journey through surgery during the pandemic, the link is in the description box below. Let's start from the beginning. So in May of 2020, I had to replace my inner cochlear device on my right side. Now, in normal situation, I would get the same device as my left side. However, I was given a choice. I could replace my Advanced Bionic with a new cochlear device, or the same company as my left side, which was Advanced Bionic. This was a big decision to make. And my mom and I had to talk to my audiologist and the surgeon and even representative from the two companies. An audiologist and ear doctor that can maintain parts of my devices. The difference between the two companies were tremendous. Advanced Bionic is the company I have on my left ear currently. I had Advanced Bionic devices on both ears for 14 years. However, the other company, Cochlear, was looking much better choice. You might be wondering, what's the difference? Let's find out. The programming of both devices, both physically and internally, are very different. Advanced Bionic devices are bulkier and heavier when compared to Cochlear. Advanced Bionic devices also have less battery life. Over the 14 years, I had both Advanced Bionic devices, and I constantly visit my audiologist because the processor would freeze and the magnet would get weakened. I also had to go for constant update in sound quality. However, it barely made a difference to me. Another issue I had was the battery. The battery would die constantly. When I went out, I had to make sure I am carrying extra ones. Otherwise, I wouldn't hear it. With Advanced Bionic, the Bluetooth connection is controlled by this. I must wear this anytime I want to connect my implant to Bluetooth audio. Now for the Cochlear device, which is the device I chose. For my right side, the Cochlear device was much more appealing and easier to wear. It also has 48 hours of battery life compared to Advanced Bionic. It is 8 through 10 hours. The processor and the magnet are much more advanced and updated, and don't need to be maintained by an audiologist as much. The Bluetooth in Cochlear is automatic, and I don't have to wear any devices. Cochlear also had an app, and I can track my device on just in case I lose it. Advanced Bionic do have an app, but not a tracker. I have a Cochlear on my right side for almost 6 months now, and there is a big difference. Please note that this is my own experience only, but Cochlear allowed me to have an easier lifestyle. I can hear sound very clearly now. The battery life saves me a lot of time and stress. My speech also improved since the surgery. Cochlear also came with a waterproof case so I can hear in the water. This is not the end of the story. There are not many people out there with two different devices. And my audiologist only had one other patient with two different devices, but it was a toddler. The only worry the doctor and I had been having was that two different devices would cause an interference between them and would not let me hear properly. My mom had to do a lot of research and asking around, but she finally found a family that had a kid with two different devices. And they say it's working great with no issue in interference between the devices. That's when we decided to go for it. and I don't regret it one bit. It was risk worth taking. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. With Q signing off.